Suppose we start with a square polygon, or a square. This case has side lengths 4 by 4. And suppose we build a prism on top of that. Let's set the height at 3. So now we have this figure over here. It's got a volume equal to the base area, which is 4 times 4 or 16, multiplied by the height, which is 3, which gives us 48. So notice as the height changes, the base area stays the same, the volume changes to 64 when we get to 4. When we get to a height of 5, the volume's now at 80. Now, in this case, we had a base area that was easy to figure out, but suppose we had an odd-shaped polygonal base, something like this, that would not be so easy to figure out the area of. If you know the area and you know the height of your prism, it's still just base area times height, and it doesn't matter whether this is a triangle, whether this is a square, whether this is a rectangle. It's always still base area times height. Even if it's some weird looking shape like this, we still have a base area of 3.12. When we multiply that by the height of 3, we get the volume of this prism. Now when we get to the pyramid, things work exactly the same way, except that our volume now is equal not to the base area times the height, but 1/3 the base area times the height. So for example, when the height is 3 and the base is 24, then our volume is also equal to 24 because it's 1/3 of 3 times 24. As the height increases to 4, we can see the volume here, this number 32, has increased to 32. As the height continues to increase, the volume increases. Base area is not changing, so the only thing affecting the volume of this thing is the height. Once again, it doesn't matter what the base looks like. The pyramid that we create is going to have a volume equal to 1/3 the base area times the height. So in this case, base area is 12, height is 3, so the volume here is equal to 12.